I was trying to do these videos more regularly where I let you know what I'm buying, if I like things for my kit. If not, I haven't been able to keep up. But this Mob Beauty Cream Clay Bronzer, I bought this for my kit and I'm kind of bummed, really, really bummed about this, which is why I'm making this video. So Mob Beauty, amazing idea company wise. What they're doing is so artist friendly. Their packaging is sustainable. You can replace individual shades for a lot of their products. There's just so many good things going on and I was so excited to try this. I have tried their lipsticks and stuff like that before, lip pencils, all good. This though was my first kind of complexion product and I was looking forward to this because I'm running low on some of my favorite cream bronzers, but I wanted to do a video for you to show you why I am not happy with it. First things first, let's just look at the shade range. So these are the 4 shades that are available. This is the lightest and this one here is the deepest. So I think the most usable shade out of all of the cream clay bronzers out of these 4 is the M77. So if you're interested in trying one, this is probably your best bet. These two, you can see they're very close in terms of their darkness. And so for me, as an artist who needs to use these, I need their deepest shade to be a few shades darker than this. So I think you can see these are very similar. It's the M78, which is here, in the M79. And I'm not doing any magic here with filters or anything like that. This is sunlight coming in from a window. I think you can also see that all of these bronzers are leaning more red. This one's leaning rosier. I hope you can see it. I'm going to swatch it with some of the other ones that I really like. So this for me is just a little bit off based on what I like for my cream bronzers. These are just too ready and they're not looking right. So that's the second thing where I was just like, no way. But formulation, fantastic, easy to blend, really great with a sponge, with a brush. So all that is good. It's just the color range available is just not doing it for me. I'm going to swatch the lightest shade. This is M80. I'm going to swatch this on the back of my hand for you so you can see. So that's their lightest shade for fair skin. For me, this is too rosy. One of my favorite cream bronzers is the Charlotte Tilbury. I have fair and medium, so I'm going to swatch her fair beside this one so you can kind of see what I'm saying. This to me is my favorite bronzer for fair skin. So that's a bit of a disconnect for me. Let's do the M77, which is kind of their medium tone on the back of my hand. This one is not bad, and this is why I think if you do want to try this, this would be the shade that I would recommend. This is the Charlotte Tilbury medium. So you can see there, this one looks much more ready. This has sort of like a nice golden brown to it. The other product that I wanted to show you that I love is the Nars cream bronzer. This is Laguna 2. This is really versatile, and it is my favorite bronzer for more neutral to olive undertones. So I'll show you this one compared. This is kind of their medium shade. So for me, this is not going to cut it. I prefer these tones. Now let's swatch the 2 deepest shades. So M78 and then M79, which is right here. So this is where I was just like, you know what, this is not going to work for me and I'm so sad about it. These are just too similar, and with a palette and a pro artist kit, for me, I need something much deeper than their darkest shade. And you can just see how red these are reading on camera. So this was a miss for me, but the formulation on the other hand is great. And if you do want to try this, I would say try the M77, which is this shade here, and see if you like it. Also, if you are a makeup artist that works with people who have more of that ready undertone, or you like a more ready bronzer, then this is going to be perfect for you. If not, and you're more like me, I prefer the Charlotte Tilbury cream bronzers and the Nars.